Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today's video will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW with a headlight washing system. Let's say guys, okay, you clean your headlights and you start noticing water and windshield fluid guys actually leaking under the bumper of your BMW guys, any BMW. And we'll explain the most common reason for that and how to fix it. So we'll demonstrate on a 3 Series BMW, but guys, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, many of them will use guys that design. So let's explain now, okay, what causes that and how to fix it. Before we start guys, every single car we get at the show we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and on this BMW even specifically we'll have close to 400 or 500 videos. Why? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you. So let me show you what we have here. We have the front bumper removed. Now we're actually making videos, we'll be making videos for fixing the engine, radiators, anything like that, but with the front bumper removed I can show you what causes that problem now. So if you come right under the headlight guys, this is your headlight on the driver's side and you have one on the passenger side. This is your system, this is your hose that comes from the sprayer, okay, it goes back, okay, if you follow it goes back, comes after that guys, okay, to the other sprayer on this side right here, and then it goes to the windshield washer reservoir or windshield washer tank, which is actually located okay under the fender right here. And now we have two leaks. One is from the windshield washer pump, okay, you can see that blue stuff is actually leaking pump, and we have a leak on the driver's side under the bumper. So things to check for guys, check the connections, make sure that you don't have a broken hose. What I would usually do, I will turn the ignition switch on, spray and see where okay the system is leaking with the bumper removed. But the most common places where that happens guys, okay, is connections, okay, broken three-way right here, make sure the hose didn't rub anywhere, and the last thing guys, okay, it's not very common but it does happen, and that's what happened to ours, okay, check out now, this is guys that sprayer nozzle, okay, that we have right here. Check out all the windshield fluid that he has dried on it, and check out how it leaked on the bottom. Our problem is actually that thing, it doesn't close guys, and what happens, it just keeps leaking until we lose our windshield washer fluid guys. So that's what's causing our problem right here. It's the sprayer itself. It's not a broken hose, it's not a cracked hose, it's not a broken fitting or anything like that, it's just the washer itself. So we replaced one of them, this is the other one that we need to replace now. It's a common problem for higher mileage vehicles because the rubber seals quit working on the inside, especially older vehicle, and that has been exposed to really cold or really hot weather as well guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful into solving your problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.